Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a prawn bisque. First, we'll create a rich stock from prawn shells. Begin by sautéing about 1 pound of prawn shells with finely diced carrots, celery, and onions for 5 minutes until fragrant. Next, deglaze the pan with 1 cup of dry white wine, ensuring you scrape up all the flavorful bits from the bottom. Then, add 6 cups of water or a light fish stock and let it gently simmer for 20 minutes. Finally, strain this liquid, pressing the solids to extract every drop of deliciousness for your bisque base. Now let's build the heart of our bisque. In a clean pot, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium heat. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 finely diced shallot, cooking until softened, about 3 minutes. Stir in 2 tablespoons of rich tomato paste and cook for another 2 minutes to develop its sweetness. Next, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to form a smooth roux. Slowly pour in 4 cups of your strained prawn stock, whisking continuously to ensure a perfectly smooth, lump-free base. To achieve that signature silky texture, we'll now refine our bisque. Let the base simmer gently for about 15 minutes, allowing all the wonderful flavors to fully combine. Carefully transfer the hot soup into a blender, being mindful of steam, and process it until it's absolutely smooth. For an extra luxurious feel, pass the blended bisque through a fine mesh sieve, pressing down on any solids. Return this beautifully smooth bisque to the pot and gently reheat it over low heat, ready for the final touches. For the grand finale, let's finish our exquisite prawn bisque. Stir in 1/2 cup of rich heavy cream and 2 tablespoons of brandy or cognac for a touch of warmth and depth. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt, a dash of white pepper, and a tiny pinch of cayenne pepper for a subtle kick. Ladle the hot bisque into bowls, garnishing each serving with a few perfectly sautéed prawns and a sprinkle of fresh chopped chives. Serve this luxurious, creamy prawn bisque immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.